have diabetes or know someone who has? Did you know that besides changing their lifestyle to a healthier one and doing physical exercises, diabetic people and those under the risk of developing it also need a healthy diet? In today's video, you will learn how to make a natural juice to control your diabetes levels. One of the ingredients of this juice is the bitter gourd. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, prevents constipation, improves skin problems and wounds, and is efficient in purifying the body, helping eliminate residues and toxins. And the best part, it can be consumed as a juice, pulp, or added into teas. Write down the ingredients: 2 big bitter gourds, 1 medium cucumber, 1/2 lemon, 1 green apple, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, optional. Rinse your bitter gourds. Cut them vertically. Remove the skin and seeds with a knife or spoon. Then cut the gourds into small pieces. After that, let them soak in water for 10 minutes. You can add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the water. Meanwhile, peel and dice the cucumber. Cut the green apple into small slices. Add the bitter gourds, cucumber, and apple to a blender or juicer, and add the lemon juice after done. Your juice is ready. Drink it once a day on an empty stomach to control your blood sugar levels. According to some studies, some people who ate just 1/4 of bitter gourd twice a day for 3 months had great results in their diabetes treatment. Isn't it incredible? If you have diabetes, try it. And don't forget the important things. Keep a healthy diet and practice physical activities regularly. A healthy lifestyle isn't equal to a cure, but it can give you a better quality of life with reduced symptoms. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.